we shouldn't watch motorcycle movies. We did the On Any Sunday, and that conversation led to I'd never done a land speed bike, and she wanted to race.
And then we built what we have today.
This motorcycle was really designed to do two things: fit Santina and be the fastest Royal Enfield in the world. So getting the bike to fit Santina, spent a lot of time with weight distribution and widths and heights and body position to make the thing comfortable for her to ride.
Everything is exactly within my reach. I don't have to stretch. My knees are specific, like everything is perfect. We love the 650 twin. Like, this bike to us has been a real game changer, and the 650 is incredibly robust. It handles all the high performance stuff we want to do to it.
It has the biggest motor we've built yet. The engine is going to be 965 cc's. This bike will run alcohol and nitrous, so that's going to be fun. I think I've said before, in fact I've said many times, the 650 is really over-engineered. We believe that it can take all of the horsepower and torque that we're about to push through it.
So the thing I look forward to most is, hopefully when I come back, having achieved the speeds that we want to, and I get to see his face, that's the moment.
I think the three words I'd use to describe this bike are, can I say, god damn fast. It really is more of a throwback to the late 70s, early 80s, and the kind of bikes the kind of twin-cylinder British bikes that you used to see at the drag strip in those days.
Like, Will built this bike for me. There's a lot of husbands out there, and they send flowers and they write poetry. And to me, this is the most exceptional expression of love that I have ever received in my life.
Well, it is very much a love letter in metal. It happens that's Santina's love language, and I know that. So building her a custom fitted motorcycle made just for her, it's the way to that girl's heart.